Geneva itself today, and we're going on the Eurovella 17. So it's a nice day, a little bit of showers maybe, and we're just leaving our accommodation, which we've had a really nice time. And yeah, so we'll see you all later on. Bye. There we go, the tourism over there. The lake there, the cannons there, the chateau there, and ours there. There's the clock, and we're right down on the lake. So there we go, the Chateau de Woodbridge, first chateau. We're still in Switzerland, Swiss francs, but now hopefully we'll be getting into France soon. A beautiful fountain outside the chateau. So the whole thing is magnificent. Built to last. Very nice. And the sun is coming out.
Good morning, Anne. Where are we? We're in the cemetery. Yes, right on the shore of Lake Geneva. A valuable plot of land for anyone, even after you're gone. Yeah. Huge big weeping elm tree. My God, they're huge. Beautiful tree.
Chateau Lauman, we think. Vines everywhere. Vineyard. Beautiful. There we go, we're on the 17 Rhone cycle route. And we're in this pretty little village.
Run down, but very nice.
Yeah, no, it's pretty. Cars flying past, but never mind. Come across this little sign, Domaine de la Picherie, Kiwi Swiss, and we have seen passion fruit, or kiwi fruit, I should say, vines on our way here today. So I'm just sneaking in to see if there's anything here. I thought there might be some private property. That's understandable. I will stay away. Looks lovely though. Beautiful.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my head lights.
Yeah, well, here we are, still on Lake Geneva, and it's absolutely beautiful that we have a few hills to do. We've just met a couple of Irish gentlemen cycling, and we've been invited to stay in Middleton if we ever get back. So, and the other chap came from Bandon, didn't he?
What's up?
The other chap came from Bandon.
Bandon, yeah.
So Middleton and Bandon, and they do go on cycles around. They did Munich to Vienna or
This is their fifth
Venice
trip
or some
back,
fifth cycling thing.
It's about the same as us.
But yeah, absolutely beautiful here. Sun's out. What more could you want?
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit she can let her hair down, but got her feet on the ground. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smile, and there's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time I'm looking at her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing to me.
Well, they do things very well here. It looks like they're cuttings, but I'm not sure whether they're grapevine cuttings or something else. But they're all planted into plastic, and they look like they've been taken as cuttings. Over the other side here we have apples, and the apple trees are spallied right along there, and the net's covering, but they're so well kept.
Hello, Al.
Hello, Anne.
Did you enjoy lunch?
Not at that price. Over $20 for a Big Mac. Terrible.
Guess where we were.
Supermarket next time.